We'll guide you through how to use Gemini CLI in Zed. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, make absolutely sure that you already have the Zed code editor and Node.js downloaded and installed on your computer system. After successfully verifying that requirement, carefully open your Zed editor application and use the File Explorer to smoothly open the specific project folder you are currently actively working on. Once the workspace is ready, look at the bottom left corner of the main Zed application window. You will clearly see a small star icon placed there. Securely click on that icon to properly open the main agent panel. Alternatively, you can quickly open this agent panel by simultaneously pressing the Ctrl and Shift and / key combination directly on your computer keyboard. Once the main agent panel is successfully opened, carefully look at the absolute top section of the active panel. Firmly click on the prominent plus new thread button, safely located right there, to effectively start a completely new working session. A new drop-down menu will immediately appear on your screen. From this open menu, accurately select the Add More Agents option. After doing that, use the provided search bar to carefully and thoroughly search for the official Gemini CLI package. Once you successfully find it in the generated search results, confidently click the Install button, safely located right next to it. After the entire installation process is completely finished, safely click the plus new thread button exactly once again. This specific time, accurately choose Gemini CLI directly from the provided list of currently available agents. Securely choose the standard login option, and a completely new system terminal window will automatically pop up right on your active screen. In the active terminal, carefully select Login with Google and firmly press the Enter key to safely proceed forward. Your default web browser will instantly open. Safely choose your personally preferred Google account to securely authenticate, and once it is completely successful, smoothly go straight back to your main Zed editor window. After safely doing that, you absolutely need to completely restart the active Gemini CLI extension to apply the changes by simply pressing the standard R key. The setup process is finally done. Try typing a simple prompt to successfully check if the Gemini CLI is installed and working in your Zed editor.